Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to add a new email on Acrobat. So first, we're going to have to open Acrobat app on your phone and make sure you sign in into your account. Now, once you're signed in, what you need to do is to click your profile or that circle icon at the top right. So it will bring you to your settings. Now in here, what you need to do is to tap on user profile. Now, in here, you can add your full name, first name, middle name, last name. Also, you can add your address, your contact information. So, to add a new email, just tap on email under contact information and you can type in your new email. So, just like that, and click on done. Before that, you can also add your phone number in here at the bottom and click on done. Now, down here, you can also add your birth date. So if you want to add one, just click on that and click on done. And click on done again. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.